The EZ Book Repair Kit by Coverbind. First, remove your pages from the damaged book. Measure the book's spine. Use those measurements to measure and cut the appropriate size strip from the glue sheet. Place the glue strip and then your pages into the spine. Now you're ready to bind your book. Place your book into the flex. Binding will begin automatically and will take approximately 1 minute. After the binding is done, simply remove your book from the flex and place it into the cooling rack. Wait for your pages to cool completely before opening the book. This will ensure you have a very strong bond. For more information about the EZ Book Repair Kit, please visit coverbind.com.